In this video, I'm going to show you how to share a Gamma project as view only, so other people can look at your work without being able to edit it. This is really useful when you want to present a project, send a draft to a client, or share information with teammates while keeping control over the original file. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials. Now let's jump right in. First, open the Gamma project you want to share. Make sure you're inside the exact project you want to send, because the sharing settings will apply to that specific file. Once the project is open, look toward the top of the screen and click the Share button. This is where Gamma gives you the options for controlling who can access your project and what they're allowed to do. After you click Share, you should see the access or permission settings. This is the most important part of the process, because this is where you decide whether someone can edit your project or only view it. To keep the project protected, choose View Only or Can View. Depending on how Gamma labels it, both of these options mean the same thing. The person you send the link to will be able to open the project and read it, but they won't have editing access. Take a moment to double-check that you have selected the correct permission level. If you accidentally leave editing enabled, the other person may be able to make changes to your project, which is not what we want here. Once you've confirmed the permission is set to View Only, copy the sharing link. Gamma will generate a link that you can send directly to anyone you want to view the project. Now you can paste that link into an email, a message, or wherever you want to share it. When the other person opens the link, they'll be able to see the Gamma project, but they won't be able to edit, delete, or change the content. That means you can safely share your work without giving away full control. This is a great option if you're sharing a presentation, a research summary, a lesson, a proposal, or any other Gamma project that you want people to review rather than modify. It keeps everything clean, simple, and secure. And that's it. You've now learned how to share a Gamma project as view only in just a few quick steps. If this tutorial was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy how-to guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.